Ukraine's air defenses have adopted a smart, low-cost solution to blunt the recurring threat of kamikaze drones. The Thales FZ275 LGR 70mm laser-guided rocket paired with the FZ123 airburst warhead. Designed to convert a basic unguided rocket into a precision munition, the FZ275 LGR gives frontline units the ability to engage small, agile loitering munitions with surgical effect while preserving scarce high-end interceptors for larger threats. At its core, the FZ275 LGR is a guidance kit and seeker married to a familiar 2.75-inch rocket body. When a laser designator paints a target, the missile homes to the reflected beam, allowing engagements with meter-level accuracy even against moving, low-flying targets. That precision is vital when a direct hit on a fragile loitering munition, or a disabling strike to its engine, antenna, or control surfaces, can neutralize the threat. The system's compatibility with standard NATO 70mm launchers, and with modular pods that can be mounted on light vehicles or helicopters, makes it exceptionally flexible for mobile, distributed air defense. The FZ123 warhead is the other half of the equation. Rather than relying on the rare direct impact, the warhead employs an airburst fragmentation effect that scatters thousands of small steel elements into a cone, creating a lethal cloud capable of severing critical components of lightweight drones within a broad radius. This smart shrapnel approach increases the probability of kill against small, unarmored platforms, and reduces the need for single-round, pinpoint accuracy under combat stress. Tactically, guided 70mm rockets fill an essential gap in layered defense. They provide a cost-effective, rapidly deployable lower tier that sits between short-range gun systems and expensive medium, long-range surface-to-air missiles. Units can mount multiple launch pods on pickup trucks or light tactical vehicles, combine laser designators with forward observers or aerial spotters, and execute shoot-and-scoot maneuvers to avoid counterfire. Because the rockets are far cheaper than large interceptors, commanders can sustain higher sortie rates and mass fire when facing swarm attacks without depleting strategic reserves.